Hello and welcome back to Sarah Reacts. Today we're going to be watching season 1, episode 5 of Watchmen, and this one's called Little Fear of Lightning. So yeah, last episode, Adrian went a bit crazy, killed all his, I'm just going to say clones now, because of what we learnt last episode, the way they're made. I'm just going to say clones. But he like massacred all the ones in his like castle and had to make new ones, which is the weirdest process I've ever seen in my entire life. It's so weird. And we also found out that the detective, I think he's called Looking Glass, the mask, lives in some sort of bunker and he's obsessed with the squids, the little squids that come down. I don't know why. We learn a lot more about Will and the fact that he's at that lady's, like, I want to say work slash home slash laboratory. I don't know what it was. There was a giant thing that she kept calling a clock, but I don't know what it is. Turns out he can walk. I don't know whether that was something that was done recently or whether he was lying the whole time with the wheelchair, but I don't know. I have a lot of questions and they are all getting slowly given to me, but I just want to know more. I do like the fact that Laurie's staying around a lot more, but yeah, enough chatting, let's get to it.
Christ's name, amen.
Are they like Jehovah's Witnesses or something, or? Called it.
A minute before midnight.
Called it.
TikTok wait.
Watch time.
Fuck you, Bible boy. Oh. Oh.
Saw that coming. Oh. Was that the squid thing? Because I know people have said it was a squid monster instead of a bot in this universe. Oh my god. Oh my god. So it didn't kill everybody. Hey, being a sinner saved him. Being naked in that mirror place saved him. Jeez.
What I saw was fear.
People buy things out of fear all the time.
Is this how he's such a good, like, interrogator?
Sorry, gentlemen, but all your ad does is remind folks that 3 million people suffered a horrific,
3 million.
traumatizing, and inexplicable death. Is that lettuce on your sandwich?
Yeah? So?
Did you get it out of this?
Oh shit. Is that from truck?
If by truck you mean the one filled with lettuce driven by a cavalry member?
You were in New York on 11/2, huh?
New Jersey, actually.
I knew it! I knew we were focusing on him for a
You
reason.
still scared shitless?
Excuse me.
Oh, he's got it inside his hat. What's he doing? Is this what the bunker's for the squids? Because I was thinking it would have been.
We can ship one out to you by next Thursday.
No. No way. No good. I'm gonna need it
Become
too.
quite obsessed
Post haste, soon
with
as you
it.
can.
We can do an overnight rush.
He's literally wearing like a tinfoil hat. Are they gonna kill the dog?
It's nostalgia.
Nostalgia. You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Well, take it and you think of the
Also
good
sure
old
they
days.
outlawed those. As it turns out, putting memories into pill form led to psychosis.
My mom was in fucking Brooklyn when it happened.
Well,
So
it
she
sounded
caught this
like
glass
they were
full.
playing an acoustic version of that song.
There's this one scene with this little girl in a red coat. The movie's black and white, so the red really pops, you know?
Schindler's List?
And the girl's stumbling around Herald Square, walking under the tentacles. The only time I'm not losing my mind is when I'm watching that film or fucking.
What?
Maybe you should call a friend too.
I don't have any friends.
Aww. Turn around. Oh. What the fuck?
I heard it come out over here.
Oh.
Blanks, Wade. Just to be safe.
Shit, I'm still wearing my mask. Sorry. That is just incredibly rude. This is just for them.
Did I say I didn't trust him? Did I say?
What? I'm gonna ask you to do me a favor. Call it a quid pro quo. This Angela Abar, she either killed Judd Crawford or she knows who did.
Unleashing a psychic blast that kills half the city's population and traumatizes millions more. Yet the monster
Probably
will not
recorded
come
this.
from another dimension at all.
Where is he? Oh my god, look at all the dead clones. What is he doing? Like, what is his plan? Oh, it's actually... Save me!
You serve only yourself.
And for that, you must bear the consequence.
Oh.
No mercy it is.
So I covered it up.
Oh, she's saying it all in front of the cactus.
Hands! Hands! Show me your hands! Do not fucking move!
Oh.
I had to, Angela.
Just fucking do! Fucking cuff her. I said cuff now! Now! Fuck them up!
She used to take all the pills. I'm gonna leave this hat there.
When you feel the call, some enchanted evening, you may see a
Can't end there. Yes, that was season 1, episode 5 of Watchmen. Can't believe they ended it there. Oh. I really like that episode because I do love character study episodes when it's just one person. We get to know a little bit more about them, why they are who they are. I don't understand the cavalry. If this is their truth or whatever, why are they racist? I mean, is it something that they just are and this is like their new objective? I don't know. Because I know that the politician guy is trying to get other areas to have that bill where the police wear masks, so maybe he's keeping them racist so they'll attack again. I don't know, it's a lot. I'm so confused, but it looks like Adrian has broken a little too many rules with his save me body SOS sign. So we'll see where that goes, because I know they're going to put him in prison as they said, but will he escape? Is someone going to come and save him? Who knows? Who knows? Yeah, so full length and early access is available on patreon.com/SarahReacts, and I'll see you next time.